Hey there, I'm PJ, and welcome back to Easy English with PJ. Have you ever heard Americans talk about Black Friday deals or seen those wild shopping videos online in late November? Today, I'm breaking down three huge events that happened back to back in the US, and trust me, understanding these will help you sound more natural and maybe even save some money when you shop online. We're talking about Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday. Let's dive in. First up, Thanksgiving. This year, it falls on Thursday, November 27th, 2025. Thanksgiving always falls on the fourth Thursday of November in the United States. It's one of America's most beloved holidays, a day when families and friends gather to share a big meal and express gratitude, basically saying thank you for the good things in life. Here's what's usually on the table: roast turkey, mashed potatoes with gravy, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and for dessert, pumpkin pie. Delicious! But Thanksgiving isn't just about food. It's about slowing down, reflecting, and spending time with loved ones before the holiday chaos begins. Many Americans watch football games or the famous Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, a massive parade in New York City featuring giant balloon characters floating through the streets. Quick vocab note: when someone says they're giving thanks, it simply means expressing gratitude. The very next day, Friday, November 28th, 2025, everything changes. Welcome to Black Friday. This is the biggest shopping day of the year in the US. Stores open at crazy hours, sometimes at midnight or even on Thanksgiving night, and offer massive discounts. We're talking 50%, 70%, even 80% off electronics, clothes, toys, home goods, you name it. You'll see people lining up outside stores at 4 a.m., sprinting through the doors, and yes, sometimes even fighting over discounted TVs. It's wild, but honestly, I kind of love it. Where does the name come from? Originally, Black Friday referred to stores moving into the black, an accounting term meaning they finally made a profit for the year. Red means losing money. Black means making money. Nowadays, it's just another word for epic deals and shopping madness. Real talk. If you're shopping in the US during this time, expect big crowds, long lines, and some seriously competitive shoppers. Or you can skip the chaos and wait for the next event. Personally, I don't mind squeezing into a line for a great deal. I might grab some early Christmas gifts while I'm at it. Who knows if the prices will be better later anyway. And that brings us to Cyber Monday, Monday, December 1st, 2025. Think of it as Black Friday's calm, tech-savvy sibling. Instead of fighting crowds at the mall, you stay home, open your laptop or phone, and shop online. Same huge discounts, zero stress. Cyber Monday took off in the early 2000s when online shopping exploded. Today, it's massive, with many retailers saving their best deals specifically for this day, especially on tech gadgets, fashion, and electronics. You might hear someone say, "I'm waiting till Cyber Monday to buy my laptop." Now you know, they're waiting for online deals. Pro tip: even if you live outside the US, many international stores join in. So, it's definitely worth checking your favorite websites. Let's recap with a quick timeline. Thanksgiving, November 27th, is all about family, food, gratitude, and football. Black Friday, November 28th, is about in-store shopping madness and doorbuster deals. Cyber Monday, December 1st, is about online shopping from the comfort of your couch. 3 days, 3 totally different vibes, but together they kick off the American holiday shopping season. And yes, I'm one of the many who dive right in. So, whether you're enjoying Thanksgiving dinner, braving the Black Friday crowds, or clicking Add to Cart on Cyber Monday, now you have the vocabulary, context, and confidence to talk about these events like a native speaker. Here's my challenge for you. Drop a comment below and tell me, does your country have a similar shopping holiday? I'd love to hear about it. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Because the best way to learn English is to live it. See you next time, and happy Thanksgiving!